Country Club Trail. Oh, this is it right here. So they have a walk Hyatt. So they have a walkway from the Hyatt out to the lake. Yeah, so it goes up there. Yeah, so we can walk over to the lake because we could walk off our salad and exercise.
Well, I actually want to walk off my ice cream.
Ooh, next stop. Look at this. Look at all these trees. North Lake Tahoe, everybody. So beautiful. Grand Lodge Casino at the Hyatt. Let's go check it out. Okay, it's on. Grand Lodge Casino. Let's go check it out.
It's a beautiful setting.
Yeah, it is. It's quiet. See that, everybody? Grand Lodge Casino. Yeah. So I told her that in the previous video I saw individual bubble crabs. That's not the main reason why we're here. Yeah. So they have shoot to win, which I already see. Yeah.
Where that crabs?
There's shoot to win. Yeah.
But they don't have the individual one.
I saw an individual in the video. Yeah. I guess not. Let's get the shoot to win. Okay. Cashier. Cool. Well, we can walk around. I guess not. I guess this is it. The shoot to win. Oh, they have more over there. High limit. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough.
Okay.
I'm gonna start off. Let's go start off at the high limit slot. High limit loft is what they call it. High limit loft. High limit loft has a lot of older games over here. Yay. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, they got a lot of old games here. A lot of Keno, poker. Ah, it's quiet. This casino is quiet. Ventilation is good in here. They have some type of aroma going around. It's not cigarettes. Ooh, sanitation station. Table games in the middle. Hardly anybody's playing. Cool. Mega vaults. Ooh, what's the minimum? 15? 15. Minimum is 15? Nice.
25 to watch.
25 to watch? Okay, cool. I'm down. Yeah.
Cheaper to play.
I'm gonna do a walk. I'm gonna walk around. You wanna go get a card? Wow. Somebody won 960 on that. You see that? Yeah. Sure. Hold on, I want to record something real quick.
Is that it?
No, there's more over there, yeah, but that's it. We're just gonna do a Grand Lodge Casino, North Lake Tahoe. Ooh, my light was on, crap. Okay. Then let's see. I wonder if there's a player's card here, but I'm looking at the old phones. Hello. Cool. Validation. Play up.
They have a player's card.
Do? We're here?
Where can we sign up for a player's card?
Guest services, which is... Okay, thank you. Let's go get a player's card. All right, we'll be back. Guest services. Where's guest services? She says it's over here.
Yes.
Wow. Look at this place. Yep. Where's guest services? In here? We'll find out. Is there smoking in here? Oh, that's a concierge. Hi, question. Where do we get a player's card for the casino?
Oh, it's in. I'll show you down here.
Yeah. Sorry, I was a little confused.
No, it's okay.
Okay,
Trust
thank
me,
you.
I'm confused all the time.
I'm confused when I wake up.
I am too. Hi.
Hi, she's
Where are
gonna
you guys
show-
visiting from?
Hayward.
Oh,
Yeah, first time here.
Across your city.
Oh,
Where
okay.
are you guys?
We're at Hayward. Oh, yeah, across.
Across the bridge.
You're in the sunken city.
Is it sinking?
Yeah, well, the water is rising, so.
I was always suspect
Yeah.
during the big earthquake. But it's right in here.
Thank you so much.
All
I
right,
appreciate
have a
your
good
help.
stay.
Thank you. Oh, I wish you were staying. Just give us a free room.
Oh.
Casino VIP services. So you go in your own little individual room to get a card.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so it looks like.
$10 free play.
Okay, so how you guys are going to want to access that, as soon as you put your card in the machine, there's going to be a green bunny stack. So go ahead and click on that, and then it'll show you a purple arrow when you use a $10 of promotional play. So just click that, and then the last step is just going to ask for your PIN number. And the PIN number is what I'm going to have you go ahead and put right now on that white PIN pad, please.
It's a skunk. That's cute.
A honey badger. We have to put a sign on it saying, I am a honey badger.
It's not a skunk?
It's not a honey badger.
Honey badger. But it has a white stripe, so it's like, yeah. Okay, honey badger.
Gets everyone all confused, yeah.
Wow, so additional 5, so 15 total. Cool, 15 free play.
Where are we playing?
I don't know, but I'm gonna do a fast walk around. Oh, I'm gonna finish doing a walk around. Yeah.
Walk with you and see what machines there are.
Okay. There's only one machine that I really like here. It's that right there. Craps. Shoot to win. I swore I thought I saw individual somewhere, but maybe it's just the word craps right there. They got the roulette here too. Okay. So they have a bar over here with all the games on top. I'll tell you, bunch of old games.
So I would recommend the coffee still on the machine.
Look at that.
Some older machines.
Yep. Older machines.
Wow.
Sportsbook area.
Play.
Excuse me. Sportsbook area. Was it the same one? I don't know if it's the same. No, the one in Sky River we played was totally different. Or, yeah. Nope. More lightning links. They got the electronic blackjack, which I don't trust. I was playing that over at Sky River, I think. And I lost 5 hands in a row. 5 hands in a row.
But, oh, look,
Except
they
to get-
have my favorite.
Oh, her favorite game.
It sounds like
And they got the roulette over here. She's gonna play it. Here, I'll go finish the walkthrough.
Can I? Not as much.
There's no smaller bills, so I'm expecting you to cash out at 150. Okay, I'm gonna finish this walkthrough. Wheel of Fortune.
That way you come and visit.
I wonder if I can use my free play on the bubble crabs. We'll find out. Let's see if she's winning. Oh, she got it. All right, let's see what happens here.
It says the lowest denom, lowest bet.
Ooh, I hope you get the grand. It's 13,000. Let's get a minor ball. Minor ball. Minor ball. You see it coming down?
No. Save it. Oh.
Oh, that's okay. You should go up deep. Wow.
Big win.
All right. I'm gonna go over to the craps game. Let's see here. I say that too much. Let's see.
You have to guess whether the next card is higher or lower. You start off with $100 in free play. The next correct guess is going to be worth $200 in free play.
Ooh.
All the way up to $1,000 if you make it all the way through the game. So
Well,
get it higher or lower than the 2.
She has the card in there, so hopefully she can get it.
It's a 7.
Oh my God! Check this out. Look at. You ready for this view? You ready for this view? Woohoo! Look at that. Lake Tahoe, South Tahoe is over there. We were over there. Look how nice this is.